I'm Anthony Contrino, and in this episode of Got Chef, I am at one of my favorite restaurants, Shukette, where the freestyle is pumping, and my good friend Ayesha Nurdjaja is whipping up some of New York City's most flavorful dishes. Ayesha is the executive chef partner of Shuka and Shukette, a James Beard-nominated chef and Food Network's newest titan. She's also the queen of the rip and dip. Let's get inside. So we're in Shukette. It's so weird being here during the day.
I know, right?
And
it's like silence in here.
It's weird because I'm used to like...
It's like a club.
You leave like a little deaf, but you don't care because your taste buds are so satisfied. You are always making dips for me. She's the queen of the rip and dip. And today I thought I would make a dip for you.
Wow.
Except you're going to kind of make it for yourself as well.
That's okay. I mean, I love to cook. And cooking with you is like the best ever.
It's like a dream come true. So we're going to make yogurt base with some tomato jam, some Calabrian chili, some toasted pignoli.
Wow.
A little basil oil.
All my favorite things.
If I'm forgetting something, we'll figure it out later. We're going to start by making the jam.
Okay.
If you can rough chop just 4 tomatoes on the vine.
Thank you. Can I juggle these?
I mean, go for it if you can do.
Hey, that's my party trick. All right, I'm cutting though. Go ahead, chef, go. Do you want these in any particular size?
On the smaller-ish side,
okay.
I guess.
All right, we got these tomatoes. Is this dice looking good to you, chef?
A little big, but...
I'll go through it again.
All right, so I just minced up 1 large shallot, and I'm going to grate 1 large clove. Is that what we call
Yep, clove of garlic.
About a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to throw in
guys,
these little
look at those skills.
And I'm just going to literally 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes tops, just to kind of soften these a little bit.
I feel like all great recipes start with onions and garlic, right?
I say it all the time, someone should make a candle, but someone did make a candle.
Did they?
It is not good. You want to add the tomatoes? Can you add some sugar?
Yes.
3/4 of a cup.
Okay.
I'm going to add a nice pinch of salt, a couple of tablespoons of white balsamic. We're going to bring this to a boil, reduce it to a simmer, and stir it pretty often. And with the back of a wooden spoon, just really start crushing it, breaking down the tomatoes. They're going to naturally do it on their own.
Yep.
And we're going to cook it, like I said, for about 40 minutes. It's going to get really thick. Thank God for TV magic, because we ain't got 40 minutes. One of my favorite things about eating at Shukette is how Ayesha just layers flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor, and you just get like that perfect scoop of bread. Like, this is like last meal before I die stuff here. Her frena is...
Thank you.
No, seriously, like, I could cry like every time I just think about it. This episode, like I said, is all about how dairy helps balance. We're gonna use this whole fat Greek yogurt to kind of balance everything else we have going on.
Shall I do the honors?
Give us the signature swish.
All right, go ahead.
So we should do a nice, generous...
Get it in there.
...bed of our tomato jam. And then some Calabrian chili. So I just kind of dot it around a little bit.
Ooh, this is looking good.
Do a little bit more.
Should I make it rain?
Make it rain.
All right. I love pine nuts. I feel like pine nuts was such a special occasion thing, right?
This is just some basil oil. I'm going to sprinkle some flaky sea salt on top.
Yes. And I'm going to pick from my gorgeous basil plant here. This could be a meal.
This is a meal at Shukette. Honestly,
but I'm just saying, like, if you went to someone's house and they like gave this to you, like, they're trying to tell you that they love you, that they want you in their life, that like this is a long-lasting relationship. Like, don't bring flowers. Bring the yogurt with the tomato jam, Calabrian chili, a little bit of those pine nuts, the gorgeous basil and basil oil. This is perfection. Let's start with pita.
Yeah.
All right? Because you want the most neutral
like
of flavors.
Base.
Look at the puffy.
Fresh out of the oven.
Look at this. Look at this pocket. Like, if this was a hammock,
I want to live in it.
you and I could like crawl in here.
Okay, you ready?
All right,
Shall
can
we?
you first? Oh,
You gotta-
he's a professional. He knows.
You got to go
Down and up.
down
you
and
know.
up. Oh my God.
I mean, get in close on this. Look at this. All right, you ready? Cheers.
That's fire.
Bro, I might have to put this on my menu. This is insane. Talk about balance. This is a home run. Home run.
Thank you. And for the full recipe, you can go to gotchefeats.com. See you next week.